I'm Dr. Neha Rai. I'm a neurologist working at Choitram Hospital, Indore. And it was lovely to attend this retreat, a totally different experience. We have been attending several conferences, but I feel this is one of the conferences that makes a real change in us. And I like to carry forward this change in my entire life. I like the first session very much, that is Who Am I, which actually tries to focus on our inner sense, and that is important. And the another one was 5 second rule. It was lovely and wonderful session, and importance to meditation is always will always be an important part of my life now.
नमस्ते, मैं डॉक्टर विनोद राय हूँ, मैं न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट हूँ और मैंने कुछ मेडिटेशन सेशन पहले भी अटेंड किए हैं. इट वाज डिफरेंट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम वाज द वर्कशॉप थिंग, सो यू प्रैक्टिकली अप्लाइज दोज प्रिंसिपल. दैट वाज द बेस्ट पार्ट, एंड आई रियली आई एम टेकिंग सम things with me, and I will apply those things in my life and to become a better human being. I love especially two sessions. One was the Who Am I and breathing techniques. So the breathing techniques I am going to, which I was not doing before, but definitely I will incorporate those things in my routine meditation. So I definitely recommend that out of your busy schedule of your profession, career or business, this is something which you should prioritize because this is about your life.
Hello, I'm Mohit Nagori from Indore. So this was a very good experiential session. Before coming to the session, I thought I would be one of the very young ones, and this session would be mainly for very senior citizen or elderly people. But after coming here, I feel that it's better to do the early you do it's better. So that's one of the very important thing. Out of all the sessions that happen, I feel the 5 second rule and the hypnosis was the one that I like the most.